Okay, so I am in CP and I am about to go to Gurgaon, my place, my home. So I thought I'll just record one small session, a small sort of a review about this motorcycle, how this is performing in the regular traffic, overview as to how I find this bike in terms of commuting daily. Speaking about that, this little charger is really comes in handy. It's 9:30 p.m. I don't know the way to my house from here, so I'll be using maps and I'll be using the bike. Perfect. Man, there are so many mosquitoes around here. Oh wait, this is annoying, so I need to like shut her up. And that's it. I just don't have to lock the phone, it stays on. Alrighty.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening!
Let's go. I avoided peak traffic by leaving a little late. Oh, I can't take a right turn from here. Damn it! But the bike feels really smooth. The gear shifts are just buttery smooth. And it has that extra kick for that power that you need. Overtaking is not a problem in this bike. No right turn, but left turns are allowed. I don't know why people stop here.
मजाक है क्या?
Dude, left turns are free. Is he turning left or no?
क्या कर रहा है यार तू?
Or he's just making people anticipate that he's turning left? Man, that's typical Delhi behavior. Sorry I generalized, but that's true. The bike just, it pulls like anything. And the brakes are quite responsive. मेरी थोड़ी सी फट गई थी अभी. Had that driver not seen left and just continued to go ahead, I would have shat my pants. Shit my pants. Shat is not a past tense for shit, Shri. Or maybe it is. So long story short, this bike does heat up, but it's not as much as you think it would be. Just ensure that you're wearing jeans or any form of long clothing, otherwise it's really uncomfortable. Not a deal breaker, but it's really uncomfortable. So this map feature is really good. I mean, if you compare the pros and cons, yes, there are more cons than pros, but the pros really outweigh the cons in the long run, because this is one of a kind feature in any Royal Enfield motorcycle, and it's really convenient.
It's not too bad.
Yes, you are not able to lock your phone screen while you cast the maps onto this instrument. And if you just switch the apps, the main map might vanish. But you know what the upside of it is? The upside is this small little map will remain there. So if you're okay with using this, great. Man, riding in New Delhi is just different feel. Actually, Central Delhi. Look at this, the turns, the twisties. I will not be able to do this in peak traffic, so yay! There is a lot of wind blast constantly, unless you plan to crouch, which in an adventure touring motorcycle you will not do that. Surely I can use the Spec windscreen from on this as well. Okay, Shri, don't get enthusiastic. There might be some speed cameras around here. Let's go! LFG! Booyah! 100. Just like that. And if I am screaming to the mouthpiece, that is because there is a lot of wind blast. None of my helmets are as good as Arai or Shoei quality, but I have Bell, so that's good. The importance of wearing earplugs, that really helps muffle out the wind noise, so you do wear earplugs. It does take a little used to, it does take a while getting used to wearing the earplugs under your helmet, but once you do get used to it, it is so much more comfortable. A lot of people have asked me how to stop the flickering of this instrument cluster, this beautiful instrument cluster. Well, number one, this is a TFT. Change it to 25 FPS on whatever device that you have. Next, because India works on PAL, so if you change whatever device, whatever camera that you are using, if you change from 60 to 50 Hertz, this should not flicker. However, there is this auto feature in here which changes the background color of the dial from white to black depending on the ambient lighting conditions to black, and then it will not flicker, but what you would see is it would still have that that black effect, with just screen goes black and then it comes back. It just happens, you can't control it, but at least it's way better than flickering screen. God damn it, this is such a tongue twister. Flickering screen. Save it and use it again. Easy peasy. ஆமா இந்த வழியில இருக்கேன் வந்துட்டு இருக்கேன். வரேன். Okay, bye. Sorry about that. That was mom. Like this kind of nincompoops are all over Delhi, so you can't really control them. You can only control yourself, so just enjoy the ride. I think I have the perfect analogy. If this motorcycle could speak, it would be Captain America.
I can do this all day.
And that is really amazing for a mid-segment adventure touring motorcycle. And this can be effortlessly labeled as a daily commuter, not a problem. And I did make a video where I stated a lot of things about this bike, that whatever is wrong with this motorcycle, I have pointed it out.
It wasn't me!
But you have to keep it in mind that video was a personal opinion. I did not pinpoint it that this is wrong and Royal Enfield should correct it. No, nothing like that. It is just a personal preference. I'm not bothered by it. It just takes some getting used to when you're riding this bike. So don't think that I'm anti-Himalayan, or if I am, I mean, especially that comment. I mean, I really laughed out loud when I read that comment. Oh, if you have so many problems, why'd you buy the bike? Huh? Well, because then that would make me tell people like some minor things about the bike so that they can make an informed decision. Okay, I remember telling that the suspensions on this motorcycle are a bit on the softer side, and there's a reason for that. This is an adventure tourer. and a budget-friendly adventure tourer, that is. Rumble strips, you won't even get to feel them thanks to the soft suspensions. What rumble strips? Woohoo! I love this bike. So that's about it. This is a pretty straightforward road. Nothing more interesting to see here. So if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It is free. And if you want to find your way back, make sure you hit that notifications icon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Shri out.